This will be lesson plan number 2 for my 2nd grade math class. The lesson title is Solving Up to 4 2-Digit Numbers. The student-friendly learning objective is I will be able to solve up to 4 2-digit numbers by using place value. The key vocabulary in this lesson would be place value, order of operations, addition, and subtraction. Hi class. So do you guys remember our key vocabulary words from yesterday? So can anyone tell me what place value means? Yeah, it's a spot where an individual number in the bigger number is located. What about, who can tell me what order of operations means? Good job. It's the order that we follow in order to get the correct answer at the end of the problem. Who can tell me what addition and subtraction mean and what the difference is? Good job. Addition is when you take multiple numbers and add them together to get a larger number. And subtraction is where you take a little number away from the bigger number to get an even smaller number than the two. So today we're going to be solving up to 4 2-digit numbers. So we can start, it'll be just like yesterday, except with more numbers. So we'll start off with an example. Can someone give me a number between 1 and 100? 71. We're going to start with addition first today. Okay, and we'll need 3 more numbers. So can someone else give me another number? 18. Okay, what about another one? 62. One more. 84. Okay, so now we are going to solve this just like we did yesterday. So we want to stack the numbers using just the tens place. So we'll go for 71, the tens place number would be 70. And what about 18? Good job, it's 10. And then 60. And 84, 80, good job. So now we're going to solve this. We're going to add up all the places in the tens place. So 7 plus 1 is 8, plus 6, so that's 8. Now it's 6 plus 8. Good job, it's 14. So now we want to add 8 plus 14. So we're left with 22. And then we just want to drop down the 0. So we're left with 220. So now we're going to take the ones place from all of these numbers and add them together. So we'll add 1, 8, 2, and 4 together. And then we're left with 15. Because 1 plus 8 is 9, and 2 plus 4 is 6. And 9 plus 6 is 15. Good job. So now we'll do another example. But this time we'll make it subtraction. So I need 4 more numbers. 92. 90 minus 37. We'll just do one more number this time. Minus 12. So now we'll find what that equals. So now we're going to start with the tens place, just like we did up there. So we have 90. This one's already in the tens place. Now we'll do the tens number for the 37. Which is 30. Good job. And then for 12, the number in the tens place is the 1. So now we'll substitute the 2 for 0, and we'll have 10. So now we'll drop down the zeros, because 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. And then we'll add up the 9, 3, and 1. So what's 9 plus 3? 12. And now 12 plus 1, 13. Good job. So now we're left with 130. And now we'll take all of the ones places. So we have 0, 7, and 2. We really don't have to do anything with the 0. So what's 7 plus 2? 9. Good job. And now we'll add 130 plus 9 together, and we're left with 139. Good job. So now, would someone like to come up and do an example for the class? We can all pick numbers, and then the class will help you decide how to solve the problem. Okay, you want to come up? Okay, we'll do addition. So we'll have 22 plus 71 plus 36 and one more number, 92. That's a big number. So now we'll solve for that. Okay, so you guys as a class can all help her solve this problem, and then we'll check to see your answer when you're all done. You guys got 221. Okay, we'll see if that's right. So let's all check the answer, okay? So we have 20, 70, 30, and 90. Do we want to add or subtract these numbers together? Add, good job. So we have 0. And then we want to add 7 plus 2 together, which is 9. And 9 plus 3 together, 12. Good job. So then 9 plus 12, 11. Good job. So we're left with 110. So far it's looking pretty good. So now we'll add up the ones places. So we have 2, 1, 6, and 2. And we'll add these together too. Good job. So then we're left with 3 plus 8, which is 11. Good job. Now add up 110 plus 11. 1. Got 121. Good job. You guys did it correct. So now you guys will get into partners again. It can be the same partners as yesterday or different partners. And we will work on solving some problems that I'm going to put on the board. Okay, these are the equations that we're going to solve today with your partners. Okay, so now that everyone has solved these, I'm going to give you guys some word problems to work on with your partners. It's only 2, but we're going to work on them in your pairs and then we'll talk about the answer after everyone's finished. Make sure to show your work. Good job. So I'm going to give you guys the answers to these 2 word problems, and you're going to see if you're correct. So for number 1, if you subtract 44 from 34 from 90, you are left with 12. Did everyone get 12? Good job. But for number 2, we're going to add all of these numbers together. So we'll add 63, 27, 52, and 12 together. And what are we left with? Good job, 154. Did everyone get 154? Good job. So you guys did a great job today. I'm going to walk around and collect your worksheets